But what happened that night was more than that. It happened more than as we expected. It was a terrible earthquake. It was a terrible earthquake. Its effects were felt as far away as Delhi and Lucknow. The earthquake effects were felt up to Delhi and Lucknow. More than 600 kilometers from the Molti village, these two cities, up to there, these effects were felt. That much terrible earthquake came onto their village on the day. Can you imagine the devastation at the heart of earthquake? Devastation, destroyed. Can you imagine the devastation at the heart of earthquake? Like that narrator asked. The epicenter was in a valley not far from here. What is epicenter? The point of the earth's surface where the earthquake felt most strongly. In the earth's surface where earthquake felt most strongly. The epicenter was in a valley not far from here. Epicenter, where it was means it is not far from here. Far means distance. So, very close to Molti village only the epicenter was there. So, there was a terrible earthquake. There were 670 villages in the valley. 602 were destroyed. Among 670 villages, 602 were destroyed in the earthquake. The earthquake lasted less than 5 minutes. How long the earthquake lasted? Less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes the earthquake was lasted there. Time enough to set these centuries old mountains crashing. Old mountains. The mountains more than 100 years it may be there, but that less than 5 minutes, everything crashed. The old mountains and all crashed to reduce our village to rubble. The village also, as long time it was there, but because of the earthquake, the village also now into rubble. Rubble means what? Pieces of brick and stone. To snuff out hundreds of lives. To snuff out, stop the hundreds of people's life also taken by this earthquake. So, within 5 minutes, the old mountains crashing, the villages and all into rubble, then it stopped out hundreds of people's life. It was sheer chance that I was away that night. It was sheer chance that I was away that night. By a chance, I was away that night. By chance, I was away that night. If I were in the Molti village, I would die. I had gone to Pauri to buy my school books. Why had he gone to Pauri to buy his school books? I stayed the night at my uncle's house. He stayed the night at his uncle's house. Who? Bridge. We felt the tremors. In the Pauri village also, they felt the tremors. Tremors means slight earthquake. We ran out into the open. Why means they accustomed to tremors. Tremors came means they ran out into the open place. They want to be inside the house. So they ran out into the open place. Again and again, the tremors came. Once a strong earthquake came means after that again and again a slight earthquake also will be there. So the tremors came there. We spent the entire night outside. They did not go inside the house. They spent the whole night outside of the house only. Pauri lived through the night. Pauri means here mentioning Pauri people. They lived through the night, but Molti did not. Molti village did not in the earthquake. Because of the earthquake, it was no more. Molti did not. But Pauri lived through the night. Molti did not. For the living, the nightmare began at daybreak when the news trickled in of the large-scale devastation. For the living, the nightmare means unpleasant experience, began at daybreak, early morning, when the news trickled in, that means spread, of large-scale devastation. What happened in the place near the valley villages? The news spread in all places, everywhere. There were dozens of landslides. There were dozens of landslides in the valley side. Huge boulders thrown haphazardly across motorable tracks and roads. Huge boulders. Boulders means very large rock. Very large rocks thrown haphazardly. That means in the random manner. How many large rocks fall on the roadway? They do not know. Randomly they are saying. Across motorable tracks and roads. Huge boulders fall down on the road, so vehicles could not go there. Precious time was spent in blasting the rock. First they are blasting the rock and clearing the way for army rescue teams. It takes 4 days. It takes 4 days to the army team enter into the Molti village to help the people. Precious time was spent in blasting the rocks and clearing the way for army rescue teams. Army rescue teams now came. So it was all of 4 days before help arrived for Molti. The team takes 4 days to enter the Molti village to help the people because the way full of rocks. Blasting, that is big boulders and all fall on the roads. So after clearing only, the army rescue teams could enter the Molti village. I was among the first to reach the village. Here, that is bridge only, first reach the village. My uncle accompanied me. Accompanied means go with. He also with his bridge, with a bridge. We feared the worst. We feared worst. How the devastation in our village like that. We feared the worst, but nothing had prepared us for what we saw. After see that only we understood. We feared what would happen there. Like that we feared more, but the devastation is more than our expectation. Every single house, every wall, every roof had been flattened. Everything flattened. Stone, rubble and dust were all that remained. In the place of house wall, now what are remained there? Stone, rubble and dust only remained there. Everything had been flattened. Our house was a two-storied stone building with a slate roof. Their house was two-storied, two-floor house with a slate roof. My great-grandfather had built the house. His grandfather's father built the house. We were a small family. My father had died after an illness just 14 months ago. 14 months ago, my father had died because of illness, sickness. My mother took care of us. Mother only took care of us. We were 3 children. I was the oldest. Who was he? Bridge, 17-year-old boy. My brother Neelu was 10. His brother Neelu, 10-year-old boy. Bully, my 2-year-old sister, was the baby of the family. My grandmother lived with us. Their grandmother also lived with them. Now, Bridge and his uncle came to Molti village. When the soldiers began to clear the debris means scattered pieces of rubbish, that is the broken pieces of stones, bricks and everything. My uncle led me away. When the soldiers began to clear the debris, my uncle led me away. I was in a complete daze. Daze means what? Unable to react normally. He was not in normal. Too numb to feel anything. Not able to feel. Without feel, he was standing there with his uncle. The soldiers had set up a makeshift camp. Temporarily, they made a camp for them. Someone gave me tea and biscuit. I don't know how long I was there. That much he was in numb state. Suddenly, it was evening and the uncle was standing beside me. It was evening time. Uncle was standing near him. They have taken the bodies to the river bank, he said gently. He refers to uncle. Uncle said, Bridge, they have taken the bodies to the river bank. During earthquake time, most of the people died in the village. Now the soldiers taken the bodies to the river bank. Come, you must perform the last rites before sunset. Before sunset, you have to perform the last rites. Rites means what? The ceremony. He has to do some ceremonies to the dead people for his family members. His family people also died. For them, he has to do rites before the sunset. Tomorrow we will go back to Pauri. Tomorrow we will go back to Pauri. So before sunset, you must perform the last rites for your family people, like that he said. Okay students, this is enough today. In the next class, we can see what would happen next. Homework I will send you in WhatsApp group. Okay children? Okay ma? Thank you. Bye.